Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So have you ever wondered, how the hell do I use hashtags on Instagram? Well, today I'm going to share with you my top tips and tricks as to how I grow my Instagram pages by thousands per week using this simple hashtag strategy. Boom. So, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about hashtags and the strategy that I use to grow my accounts to thousands of followers per week, and something that you can implement right now which will significantly boost your chances of making it on the Explore tab. If you don't already know me, my name's Connor and I'm here to help you guys grow your social media accounts and work out different ways to make money from them. If that sounds interesting to you, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's get straight to the video. So, working out how to use hashtags properly from the start can be a little bit overwhelming. I know myself, I found it pretty hard to work out how to use hashtags properly, where to find them, what hashtags to use, how many to use, and that's what we're going to cover today. Using the right hashtags can dramatically increase your chances of your potential audience finding you by basically using the hashtags that relate most to your account or your pictures. That's what people are searching for, and that's how they're going to stumble across your account, and that's how you get discovered basically. So you might be asking yourself, how do I know which hashtags to use, how many hashtags to use, and where to put them, and all of that stuff? But don't worry, I'm here to help. So just quickly, the hashtag structure that I use is, I use 3 to 5 small hashtags, 3 to 5 medium hashtags, 3 to 5 large hashtags, and then one account specific hashtag, so your name or something that you've chosen to post on every one of your pictures, and then a couple really big hashtags. So we're going to break down each step now. So the first stage in the hashtag structure is using 3 to 5 small hashtags. These are hashtags that have around 1 to 1,000 images that have been posted using that hashtag. To find hashtags that are around that amount, you want to type into the Instagram search feature words that relate to your niche. So maybe we're talking, like, let's say if you're posting about cars, you're going to type in Range Rover or Ferrari, and you're going to see a list of posts that have, and the amount of images that are with those hashtags. So once you've found 3 to 5 small hashtags, you want to move on to the medium hashtags. So medium-sized hashtags are hashtags with around 10 to 100,000 posts. These can also be found using the same feature on Instagram, and you just want to scroll through the relevant hashtags and find ones that meet that criteria. Once you find 3 to 5, just save them in your notepad along with your small hashtags. And then from there, we want to find 3 to 5 large hashtags. So we're talking 100,000 to 1 million posts using that specific hashtag. These are a lot easier to find, but still try to stick within your given niche. So if you're a car page and you only post, let's say, Range Rovers, then, you know, use a hashtag that's relevant to that. And then finally, you want 1 to 2, you can use more, but I recommend 1 to 2 really big hashtags. So we're talking 1 million plus, 100 million. The problem with this is it's going to be very hard for you to actually, for you to actually rank in these hashtags, but these are the final springboard if your post is actually going viral. So it's a good thing to include them in your post. So as well as this, I would recommend that you also include one brand specific hashtag. So that could be the name of your Instagram account or something that only you would use. This will, when you first start your Instagram page, won't really make much of a difference, but once you become more of an influence and a brand on Instagram, people will start using your hashtag to get noticed by you. So it's a great thing to have right from the start. Right now we have around 18 hashtags that we have saved in our notepad. You can use these for every image and you can just keep posting them. I recommend you post them in the comment section of your image, not in the actual caption. That way people can't actually steal the hashtag from you if you spent a long time researching which hashtags to use. And also it doesn't clutter up the caption page, which can be a little bit annoying when you're scrolling through Instagram. So you have your 18 saved hashtags. From here, lastly, I would recommend that you find about 3 to 5 hashtags that are specific for the picture that you're posting. This way you only have to spend like 5 minutes, even less, to find hashtags that are relevant. These can be of any size, but I recommend staying below 1 million unless you're already a huge account. But find these 3 to 5 hashtags that are specific to the picture that you're posting and change these hashtags every time you post a new picture. So the reason why we use this structure within our hashtags is because each step on the ladder basically works as a springboard to the next. So when you start to rank on your small hashtags. So basically what I mean by rank is your post is at the top when someone searches that hashtag, which means you're going to get a lot of impressions with people who are searching that specific hashtag. From there, once you have a lot of impressions, you basically start to rank on the next step up. If you do well in the medium range, you'll then start to rank on the next step up, and the next step up is millions. So when there's millions of images there, it means lots of people are searching and lots of people are using that hashtag. And from there, that's when you go on the Explore page and you get viral. Hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't make much sense and I'm just blabbering on, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll try and answer it more in depth in the next video. So if you're still wondering how on earth do I find the hashtags to use, and there are a lot of paid services out there, you can basically just search on Google how to use the best hashtags for my image. But those are a lot of paid services, and really the best tool to find the hashtags for you to use is Instagram itself. If you just go and search your competition basically and see what they're doing, see what's working, check the images on their profile, see which ones are doing the best and see which hashtags they're using, and compile your list using a lot, like everything that's working all together. So if you're willing to put in a little bit of work and you're willing to scrounge through Instagram and find those working pages, you really are going to compile the best list you possibly can of hashtags, which you can use in basically every image. So it's really easy from there once you have your list. So that's the end of the video. That's my hashtag strategy that I use in each and every one of my pictures. I have accounts that range from 50 to 100,000 followers, and I use this exact strategy on every single one of those accounts. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below and I try and answer each and every single one of them. You can hit me up on Instagram or on TikTok. My links are below, and I'll see you in the next video.